undated ink and watercolor drawing. I don't remember where I did this. I'm going to guess between 1969 and 72. Could have been in my folks' house in Queens. Probably more likely there than in my tiny apartment on Thompson Street in Little Italy, South Village, 105 Thompson Street. I didn't have any good light in terms of plants and windows. The windows had one window which looked out into a courtyard. You couldn't actually see the sky. Okay, here's another some plant of some sort in a glass jar of water, it looks like, dated September 1971. All right, there you have it, just like I pictured it.